Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Chat. My name is Louis, and I am so happy you are here to learn with me today. This podcast is for you, the beginner English learner. We use simple words and speak slowly so you can understand. Today, we are going to talk about a very important topic. The topic is how to incorporate English in your daily life. To incorporate means to add something. So we will learn how to add more English into your normal, everyday life. You don't need to study in a classroom for many hours. You can learn English with small, easy tricks. These tricks will help you learn faster and make learning more fun. The most important thing for learning a language is to be consistent. Consistent means you do it regularly, a little bit every day. It is better to practice for 10 minutes every day than for 2 hours only on Sunday. Your brain learns best with small daily practice. So, let's talk about some simple ways to make English a part of your day. Are you ready? Let's start with our first tip. Tip number 1 is listen, listen, and listen more. Your ears are very important for learning a language. You need to hear English a lot. You can listen to English while you do your chores. Chores are the normal jobs you do at home, like cleaning the house, washing the dishes, or cooking. While you are doing these things, you can play an English podcast like this one, or you can listen to simple English music. You don't need to sit and study. You can just listen. This is called passive listening. It means you are listening, but maybe not with your full attention. It's okay if you don't understand every word. The goal is to get your ears used to the sounds and the rhythm of English. The rhythm is the music of the language. Okay, let's move on to tip number 2. This is a very powerful technique. A technique is a special way of doing something. This technique is called shadowing. What is shadowing? Think about your shadow on the ground. It follows you. It copies everything you do. The shadowing technique is when you copy an English speaker. You listen and you speak at the exact same time. Here is how you do it. First, find a short audio, maybe 1 or 2 minutes. It must be slow and clear. An audio from a beginner podcast is perfect. Next, listen to the audio 1 time. Just listen. Then play the audio again. This time, try to speak with the speaker. Say the words as you hear them. It will feel difficult at first. That is okay. Do not worry. The goal is not to be perfect. The goal is to practice making the sound. This trains the muscles in your mouth. It helps you with pronunciation and the music of English. Practice shadowing with the same short audio every day for a week. You will be surprised how much better you get. Are you ready for tip number 3? This one is easy and fun. The tip is change your world to English. What does this mean? It means you should make the things around you English. For example, your phone. Go to the settings on your phone and change the language to English. You use your phone every day. You already know where everything is, so it will not be too difficult. But now you will see English words all the time, like message, call, settings, camera. This is an easy way to learn new words. You can do the same on your computer. Another way to change your world to English is to use sticky notes. Sticky notes are small pieces of paper you can stick on things. Write the English name for things in your house on these notes. For example, write the word door on a note and stick it on your door. Write table and stick it on your table. Write mirror and stick it on your mirror. When you see the object, you will also see the English word. It helps your brain connect the word and the object. It's a very simple and very effective way to learn vocabulary. Now for our final tip today. Tip number 4. This one happens inside your head. The tip is, try to think in English. This might sound difficult, but you can start very, very small. Throughout your day, just try to make simple sentences in your head in English. For example, when you wake up, you can think, it is morning. I am tired. When you are thirsty, you can think, I need water. When you see a dog, you can think, that is a cute dog. The sentences don't have to be perfect. No one can hear your thoughts. This is just for you. It's practice for your brain to start using English automatically without translating from your native language. So, those are our 4 tips for today. Let's review them one more time. 1. Listen to English when you do your chores. 2. Try the shadowing technique to improve your speaking. 3. Change your phone to English and label things in your house. And 4. Try to think in simple English sentences. Please remember, learning a language is a journey. It takes time. Be patient and be kind to yourself. The most important thing is to do a little bit every day and to have fun. Try one of these tips this week. Just one. See how it feels. You can do it. I believe in you. Thank you for listening to Easy English Chat today. I hope this was helpful for you. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I will talk to you in the next episode. Goodbye for now.